once again sa lahat ng ating mga kapusong nakatutok ngayon. Anton Rojas working alongside John Vic de Guzman. And we also have Christine San Agustin with us at courtside for this matchup between Letran and Arellano. Nitura. Domasig, back set, Servidad, Martin. Estrelier, back to Nitura. Popped up from the back. Here's the toss. Dolphin dive again by Silva. Pablo was there. Wow. Okay. Introduce yourself, Kay Abitria. May power din pala to.
Oo. And considering galing bench, alam mo, nakakatawa yung mga ganung players kasi sabi nga nila, pag binigyan ka ng opportunity, make sure na ma-maximize mo.
Nitura on the drop. Domasig picks it up. Servidad. Back row para kay Sari. Estrelier to Martin. Oh, this is a
Wow!
long rally and Tudlasan gets that one to go.
Alam mo, pangalawang beses na ni Tudlasan ginagamit yung net. Mahirap practicein yan, Anton, ha? Yung lagi tumatama sa net at magiging point.
May nagpa-practice ba nun? Nang ganyan.
Alam ko sa serve, yung medyo malapit sa net. Pero yung gagamitin mo yung net itself, medyo mahirap yun.
Abitria. Judiel on the drop. Domasig. Back row again. Para kay Tudlasan. Good save by Estrelier. Martin. And now Arellano is showing signs of life.
Point awarded to Arellano.
And now, for the first time in this match, we will hear from the Arellano huddle.
No, two spike, easy, don't libero, bounce. They defense you. You tip like a skyway. Don't do that. If you tip, just behind the block, not high ball. Right now, they defensing you too deep. Cross score.
Kuha tayo 1, 2, 3, sit. Patay tayo, ha?
Now,
Kuha tayo 1, 2, 3, sit. Patay tayo.
a little bit shorter from
Go! Tatlo lang yan. Isa-isahin natin. Ha?
Yeah. So, ang instruction ng kanilang
Active
active
consultant.
consultant is kapag magta-top spin ka, make sure na sa likod lang. Kasi ang tendency kapag nagta-top spin ka ng medyo mataas, mas madaming time itong mga defender ng Arellano na may angat yung bola. So tama din naman siya. And I think, in fairness dito sa pinapakita ng Arellano, grabe yung floor defense nila. And nako-convert nila this time sa mga attacks.
Well, from that huddle, as we see this hit by Judiel Nitura, nagulat ako nung sinabi niyang Skyway.
Skyway. That term, Skyway.
Palubo kasi yung mga palo eh. Nitura.
Wow!
Oh!
Casey Punsalan with the block point.
Buhay na buhay ang Arellano crowd ngayon. Punsalan. Pinayungan itong si Martin.
From service to floor defense to blockings,
Number 9, Joe Panangin in.
converted to a point para sa koponan ng Arellano University.
First time on the floor, Joralyn Panangin. Siya agad ang tinarget. Nitura.
Judiel Nitura.
12 points for Judiel.
Ito yung player to watch out.
The Lady Knights.
Dahil parang hindi nag-iiba yung energy nitong player na to.
Oh, what a match Judiel has played today. Domasig. First hit para kay Panangin. Tudlasan from the back row.
Wow! Anton, hindi ko alam kung ako lang to pero every time napapalo si Tudlasan sa back row, mas nakakatakot siyang panoorin compared sa front line Or maybe because mas maganda lang talaga yung gising niya pagdating dito sa back row.
I think you're right. There are a lot of people who share that same sentiment na malakas
Diba?
talaga siya sa back row. Itong si Tudlasan.
Another 3-point para dito sa Letran. Ito yung kailangan iwasan ng ano. Kailangan iwasan itong Arellano na magbigay ng so much error dito sa Letran. Especially right now, umaabante sila, lumalamang sila dito sa third set.
Damasig, back set. Not over.
That's a point for the tie.
Medyo pumasok yung set doon sa may net, kaya hindi na nagawa ng paraan ni Servidad.
Score is 3 serving time.
Ganda naman ang timing ni Sari doon.
Sari with 7 points now para dito sa Letran Lady Knights. Tudlasan. Ibabalik ba kay Bane? Yes! 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 1,000 times yes!
Grabe.
when you give the setter a perfect pass, you give it back.
Nasa ibabaw siya ng mga blockers, Anton. Hindi lang siya yung player na basta-basta lang pumapalo. Pero minimake sure niya na mamamaximize niya yung advantage niya.
Casey Punzalan with a quick
Sagot
attack.
naman ni Punzalan para sa Arellano University.
Now, if you're Arellano, just maintain this energy.
Casey Punzalan now
Just
serving
sustain
for
it.
Arellano.
Kahit 1-1 lang, Anton.
Mm.
Kaya nilang makuha tong third set.
Oh, stay in front. Keep the pressure. Kaya lang, pinupuntahan na si Bane.
Sunny.
Kaya lang pinipressure sila. Di ba, ne?
9 points for Sari. Ganun-ganun lang.
Oo.
Nung
Now serving for the Lady
first set,
Wala, di ba? Wala.
ano, chill lang siya eh.
Nag-warm up lang.
Sadyang nag quote-unquote chill.
That's a block point for the tie.
Yun lang. Yun lang ang naglalak dito sa Arellano University. Kulang sila sa coverage. Nakakuha sila ng first ball. May combination play, pero yung coverage, yan yung simula first set hanggang third set, yan na yung nagiging problem nila.
Service.
Wow.
Sakit yan para sa Arellano. That's 3 straight points now for the Lady Knights.
Score is now 7-6.
Damasig. Servidad gets the point back.
Chris Servidad.
We are tied 7-all.
Oo. Kailangan lang kumapit dito ang Arellano.
Chris Servidad now serving for
Kasi
Arellano.
kung di nila makuha tong set na to, tapos na ang ating first game.
Servidad. Sari. Oh, too strong. Wait. Oh,
Sunny.
our second referee informs the first referee that wait.
Our score
So
is
it's good.
8-7.
In para sa Letran, 8-7 para sa Arellano. Para sa Letran, ang ating official score. Lady Knights up by 1.
NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Anton and John Vic, you guys were actually right earlier when you mentioned na nag-e-enjoy lang ang Lady Knights sa larong ito. I was actually able to talk to their team captain, Laramay Silva, earlier at ang sabi niya, ang mantra nila for this season is to enjoy every game and to soak it all in. This was further reiterated by Coach Mayet Carolino when she mentioned na it will get super challenging from here, but at least they're having the time of their lives at yun naman ang pinaka-importante. All for now, back to you guys.
Very correct. Tingnan mo, sobrang nag-e-enjoy lang itong Letra Knights. And as you can see, lahat ng ginagawa nila mas consistent compared dito sa Arellano. Sa Arellano, simula first set, second set, and etong third set natin, until now, may mangilan-ngilang pang lack of communication.
Samantala, Nitura cross-court, too strong. But was there a check?
Yeah, oo. Magcha-challenge sila kasi ito kaninang si, I think si Tudlasan yata yung tumawid doon sa court ng Letran.
So ito ang ating unang challenge for the second match. First challenge by the Lady Knights this season. New head coach Mayet Carolino. Homecoming.
Oo. Mga best players dati sa kanilang panahon. And eto, ang mga fans ng Arellano University. Actually, sobrang daming fans ng Arellano University. So we're just waiting for the challenge. Meron daw block touch. Yung block touch yung challenge nila.
After reviewing the play, block touch
Wala.
to say no.
Yeah.
The challenge is unsuccessful. Point awarded to Arellano, and the Tran has one challenge remaining for the set. Raika Tudlasan
So,
now
Tudlasan.
serving for the Lady Chiefs.
The Cebuana will serve it up para dito sa Arellano. Silva, back set. Judiel finds the corner.
Judiel Nitura.
Pinabawi naman. Pinabawi agad siya dito sa ni Estrelier. Kanina outside yung palo niya. Sabi niya, sige, bumawi ka.
Hanel Sari now serving for the Lady Knights.
Sari. Good serve.
Another picturesque dive by Lara Silva. Domasig. Quick attack para kay Faye.
Faye
Wow.
Mamubay.
Isang putos na lang ang kalamangan itong Letran. Kanina nung second set natin, Anton, ganito rin. Kaso pagdating sa may end part, medyo bumitaw ang Arellano. Tignan natin kung masustain nila to.
Nitura. Check out.
Judiel Nitura.
Simple lang. Add to cart.
Halong
Check out.
Adriana serving for the
For
Tran.
Judiel Nitura.
Para nag-order lang ng parcel no?
Delivery
Check out.
completed.
Good serve.
Cross court. Domasig back to the Letran side. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So
Panangin.
even Panangin, who came off the bench, is making an impact para dito sa Lady Knights.
Score is called serving
From time to time, yung mga ganong kasimpleng off the block hit, kaya naman. Actually, kaya naman talagang kunin ng Arellano. Kaso nga lang, yun ang naglalak sa kanila. Yung parang naghihintayan sila, nagtuturuan sila kung sino yung mauunang kumilos.
Casey Punzalan.
Another point para kay Punzalan. 2 points ahead ang Letra
Now
Knights.
serving for Arellano, Cantomasig.
Reigning best setter, Tomasig. At the service line, Arellano down by 2. Estrelier. Manangin. Tuudlasan, back row. Silva. Judiel. Down the line, picked up by Pablo. Buhay pa to. Manangin na naman. Saved by Pablo. Tomasig, back set, Servidad. Buhay pa. Ay, hindi na.
Yep.
For
Not
touches
overhit.
for Arellano.
I think magcha-challenge dito si Coach Obet.
So now Arellano will try their luck
Ladies
with
and
this
gentlemen, we have a
challenge.
coach's challenge from the Arellano University Lady Chiefs, Block Touch.
Kasi paminsan ngayon, iba talaga natutulong ng challenge, Anton. Paminsan nakala natin 4 touches na or not over na yung palo. Pero pag chinek natin sa replay, nagche-check yung bola talaga.
Arellano University, new season for them. There you see Coach Obet Javier, a 4-time NCAA champion coach. The first championship was in season 90,
Oo.
and then nag-3-peat yan, season 92 to 94.
Nakakapanahon na namin yun.
Naalala ko sa'yo yung ano pag rini-replay yung back row mo, tas yung camera angle from the bottom, para kang lumilipad
How I wish, Anton. Maibalik ko yung ganung kakondisyon na katawan. As we get older, maraming injuries na. So, prone na sa injuries. Pero kaya pa naman kung iisipin or kung pipilitin natin ibalik. But, eto na, yung replay. Ayan, oh. Medyo mahirap yung angulo na yon. I think mas maganda kung yung angulo nung black touch na yun ay manggagaling dito sa POV ng referee. But
Block Touch is a
yeah, no
no. The
touch.
challenge is unsuccessful. Point awarded to Letran, and Arellano has 1 challenge remaining for the set.
Nagamit na ni Coach Obet ang unang challenge.
Serving for the
And
Lady
since
Knights.
unsuccessful ito, isang challenge na lang ang meron sila.
Tomasig to Servidad. Sayang.
Yeah, oo.
That's a point for the Lady Knights.
Nanggigil lang ng konti but good try. Umabante na sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Letra Knights.
Nitura. Tomasig on her knees. Tomasig. Silva to Estrelier. Quick attack para kay Isar.
LJ Izar.
Sayang sana yung mga first ball na nakukuha ng Arellano. Hindi agad nila nako-convert into point eh. So ang tendency itong Letran ngayon na nakakakuha ng chance ball and nako-convert nila into attack.
Still serving for Letran, Judiel Nitura.
15 points today for Judiel Nitura. Make that 16. What a match for Judiel Nitura. Gives Letran a 6-point lead here in set number 3 after that ace. Tignan natin itong lipat ng bola. The Skyway. Bumaba sa Amorsolo exit. All the way from Laguna.
And may specific target itong Letran. Kasi kung mapapansin mo kanina si Sari, nagsiserve siya dito sa may bandang right side ng Arellano, bumabagsak yung bola. And I think same sila ng target with the Nitura. Wow.
New player on the floor for Arellano. Another
Segovia.
rookie.
Oo.
Desaela Segovia. Introduce yourself.
Well, paminsan ng mga coaches ganyan na ginagawa. Lalo na kung gusto niyang makitang maipagpag lang din yung tightness and yung pressure dun sa mga first stringers. Kaso ayaw magpaawat itong mga players ng Letran.
Jonalyn Panangin, who came in for Yen Santos. Oh, sorry. My bad. Yen Martin gets the point. Sorry, it rolls off the tongue. Sorry.
Attack to wide.
Yeah, oo.
Point awarded.
First time nating nakitang mag-error itong si Sari.
Silas
At 5 puntos na lang ay nahabol nitong Arellano University. Serving ang kanilang bagong player.
Domasig. Estrelier, pumalo. Tudlasan. Oh. Sa ilalim ng bola.
Point awarded to the tie.
Feeling ko mas magandang mag-timing si Tudlasan talaga sa back row. Kasi from time to time, kahit mga bigla ang bola na binibigay sa kanya sa back row, malakas yung palo niya eh. Talagang may puwersa, nakakatakot. Pero pagdating sa front line, medyo nag-aalangan. I'm not sure kung ano nangyari. And speaking of alangan, 3 players ang nag-aalangan. Kumuha ng service galing dito kay Isar.
That's an ace.
Ulitin ko, wala na sa tamang pwesto, anong gagawin natin? Itawid natin yung bola, daanin natin sa block. Anong nangyayari? Wala ka na sa pwesto. Anong ginawa ng kalaban? Hindi ka binlock. At bakit? Alam nilang aampasin mo ng malakas eh. Paulit-ulit lang yung nangyayari sa error mo eh. Hindi ka nag-a-adjust. Tsagayin natin! Tsagayin nila! Tsagayin nila!
This game slowly slipping away from AU.
Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina nung second set, same story, Anton. Dikit sila from the start, pero pagdating dun sa may middle to last part ng set, bumibitaw sila. Bumababa yung energy compared talaga nung, well, at least. Combination play para sa Arellano. Tudlasan with a point.
Konti na lang, papasok na si Coach Mayat sa court. Walang pumikap doon.
And ang chill niya. Ang chill niya.
Yeah.
He's just watching and nagbibigay ng simpleng instruction. Dahil nakita niya naman yung mga players niya kusang nagtatrabaho.
And I think that's a good thing when the players see that the coach is not panicking, the coach is just relaxed, giving instructions. Sabi nga nila, the players are a reflection of the coach.
And iba din na yung mga players ay, alam mo yon, matured na pagdating sa mga laro. And ang good thing about dito sa Letran, since 2 beses sila naglalaro for the championship, iba na yung ano nila, iba na yung mindset nila.
Yeah, this is a core with finals experience. So now they are a core with finals experience. a legendary player who's now a coach with a finished touch. Speaking of a touch, Florida climbing the ladder for this kill.
Yeah.
(20-15). Silva, perfect pass. Here's the set. Judiel Nitura picked up by Tudlasan. Not over, and that's another point for Letran.
Sa totoo lang, ako yung medyo na nangihinayang dun sa mga dig ng Arellano na sana na-convert nila into attack. And considering nandito tayo sa end part nitong third set, dapat mas ano na yung galaw nila, mas sigurado na.
Judiel tried to go for the drop. Naabot ni Mangubat. Joralyn Panangin with another point.
And na masasabi ko sa part ng Letran, napakalalim ng kanilang second stringers, ng bench nila. Dahil kahit sinong ipasok, nagde-deliver, nagbibigay ng score at nakakatulong.
Tomasig nagbabalik sa ating laro. 9 points for Sari.
Out.
Service too wide.
Lady Knights just 3 points away from notching their first win of the season.
Wow.
Quick attack para kay Padilla. What a debut as a starter para dito kay Leonelyn Palang Padilla.
And in fairness, ball distribution itong si Estrelier. Ang ganda ng rotation. Even the back rows, middle blockers, and opposite hitter. Nabibigyan na niya ng chance na maka-atake. Another error para sa Arellano University. Isang puntos na lang para sa koponan ng Letran.
Number 18, Historidad A. Now serving for the match, Palang Padilla.
Debut as a starter, Palang Padilla at the service line. Letran at match point. Servidad. Oh, what a sliding dig by Sari. Nitura on the drop. Buhay pa ang Arellano. Down the line attack. The rookie, Kay Abitria, goes down the line. Kaya lang, bawal na magkamali.
Totoo.
Itong Arellano. Nitura with a winning spike. Judiel Nitura with 17 points today, a match high, and she gives the win to new coach. Welcome back to the NCAA, Mayet Carolino. The former MVP, the back-to-back champion, now head coach of her alma mater, Lady Knights of Letran, victorious today on opening day sa NCAA Season 101. It is a win for the Letran Lady Knights on opening match day here in NCAA Season 101 Volleyball. They prevail over Arellano 25-10, 25-17, 25-17. At sa aming pagbabalik, we will get to speak to the winning head coach for the Letran Lady Knights, Coach Mayet Carolino, when we return. Don't go away.